In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Galileo FX on Metatrader 5. We'll walk through the exact folders you need and where to place the file so Metatrader recognizes it right away. First, open your Metatrader 5 platform. Give it a second to load your workspace so the folders we're about to access match the installation you're actually running. If you have more than one terminal installed, check the title bar so you know which account that window belongs to, and keep only the one you're using open to avoid mixing files. At the top left of the platform, click the File menu. This is where Metatrader keeps all of the commands related to your platform's setup and data. From that menu, choose Open Data folder. This opens the working directory that MT5 uses behind the scenes. Opening it from within the platform ensures you're in the correct location, which avoids the common mistake of browsing to the wrong installation or a duplicate copy on your computer. Keeping the data folder window open makes it easy to confirm you're in the right path. Inside that folder, open the MQL5 directory. Think of MQL5 as the home base for anything you add to Metatrader, including indicators, scripts, and expert advisors. Next, open the experts folder. Expert advisors, or EAs, are automated strategies, and Metatrader only looks for them in this exact location. So this is where Galileo FX needs to live. Now paste the Galileo FX file into the experts folder. It should be a compiled EA file, typically ending with .ex5. Make sure you're using a clean, trusted copy and that the file isn't still inside a compressed archive. Once the file is in the experts folder, you're done with the file placement. Head back to the platform and look at the navigator panel, usually on the left side of the screen. This panel lists your accounts, indicators, scripts, and expert advisors so you can quickly find what you've installed. Within Navigator, click Expert Advisors to expand the list. You should now see Galileo FX available there, ready to be used on your charts. If the list is still collapsing or sorting items, give it a moment to refresh. Metatrader typically picks up the new EA automatically when the file is placed in the correct folder. That's the entire installation process. By following these steps, you've placed Galileo FX in the exact spot Metatrader expects, and you can now move on to configuring it on a chart, adjusting inputs, and testing according to your trading plan. Thanks for watching, and great job getting the installation done correctly.